Feeling stuck with the PowerPoint? Don't worry, I'm here. Needing a quick design presentation but not knowing where to start, or getting overwhelmed by the endless features of the PowerPoint. The good news is that once you learn how to use PowerPoint effectively, you feel confident to create presentation design that truly stand out. In this tutorial, we will cover the PowerPoint basics, showing you how to make eye-catching and professionally PowerPoint designs. Whether you are just starting out or you want to improve your skills, watch this video. By the end of this video, you will feel confident creating presentations that impact any occasion. Follow me. Now start focusing on key points of PowerPoint so that you go your way. PowerPoint is a presentation design software which comes with MS Office suite. You don't need to download it separately. It already comes with MS Office packages. PowerPoint with all the latest features we have in Microsoft 365. So start downloading. If you don't have on your local machine, download it. Get started downloading with the Microsoft 365. Because most of the MS Office PowerPoint will have read-only mode. But the Microsoft 365 have the editable mode. So download Microsoft 365. In this tutorial, I go with Microsoft 365. This software allows you to design your presentation by inserting text, images, all the multimedia, graphics, charts, tables, whatever you want to show in your presentation. Just you need to have an aim what you are going to present. Having that aim, you're gonna create your presentation. If you are wondering how to use PowerPoint for different tasks, few tasks containing a list, I will show you what you can do with the PowerPoint presentation design software. Business presentations or pitch deck, marketing, sales, and HR plans you can do with the project brief and summaries you can do with the presentation. Inductions for new employees you can do with the presentation. Seminars and educational classes you can do with the presentation. Professional portfolio, photo and design you can do with the presentation. Presentations of research summary you can. Presentations for a special occasion you can do with. So these are a few lists what you can do with the PowerPoint presentation design software. It's mostly a presentation design software. You can use your text, images, multimedia, videos, audios, whatever you can do, you want to include in a presentation, you can do it. Along with you have a notes over there so that you can identify what this presentation is for. You can do multiple possibilities with this PowerPoint presentation design software, but your imagination is the only limit. To master this tool, you must start the PowerPoint basics first. To master this tool, we must start with the PowerPoint basics. When opening the PowerPoint, some of the commands will look grayish. Here you can see these commands are not highlighted because these commands need selection. Meaning, if you have placed your mouse here, then you can edit it. Now you have to enter any text, then you can see the above command which were grayish were de-highlighted, now gets highlighted. So some of the commands look grayish because they need the selection. they need the object where these commands gonna apply over. Now this is PowerPoint Windows. We must understand all the components over there. So I have a snapshot with the number of, now this is the window we must to cover all the components. What we have this window. The same window I have here, but with the number start from 1 to 11. And these numbers are indicating the main commands or the features everybody going to use. So this is one is the file tab. What file tab is? File tab is basically allow to how to manage your files and setting of your PowerPoint workspace. This second number is showing as a quick toolbar. What this quick toolbar is, there are a few shortcuts which were frequently used having here as a list, but you can add more or you can remove from here. Now you can see we have a quick toolbar, and besides we have a drop down. You can go with here, and now you can see there are some options is ticked out. That means those commands are included in this quick toolbar which are showing here. But in case you want to remove someone, that means just redo. Your redo option from here is gone. If you want to have more option to be added, you can just click this one. You have added now quick print. Now if you want to add some few commands which were not listed here, you go with the more command here, and you have a list here. You can just this one, I hope, and you can click this add. The selected from the left window, that command will transfer into right window, and the same command will get added into a quick toolbar. And now gets okay. Now you have table inserted here. This way you can insert more commands or remove the existing command from the quick access toolbar. So this is the quick access toolbar. Now the third one is the title here, meaning what names of your file you have opened currently. That would be the file name as a title here. Fourth, these are the menu bar, and these are the group of commands are in the form of a ribbon. And there are few groups here. Now you can see clipboard, slides, fonts, paragraph, drawing, editing. These are the groups, and groups having their associated commands under which they are going to perform their special task. And they are in the form of a ribbon. Now the fifth one is the share option. You have finished your work, want to share to your seniors or some other person, you can click share and attach your presentation design software. Go to share that. Now the sixth one is the slides pane. Here you can add more slides. You will have more slides here. Now I want to show you how to add more slides. We have original files here. Now you can have, we'll go how to add slides gradually. Once we go, we have slides here, meaning what slides over you going to draw, writing text, some presentations matter. This is the workspace area where you gonna design over. Now 8 is your status bar, which showing on which how many slides you have opened and you are on which slide. And this is a quick note bar where you can add some special notes so that you can identify what this design is for. Now the 10th is the presentation view, thumbnail view, presentation mode, or whatever you can do it. Now I will show you. This is the presentation view. Just click. This is the normal. This is the thumbnail view. Now you can see the full view and now your presentation mode. So just go to as a normal view. Now this is zoom bar, meaning you can zoom in, zoom out your matters here so that looks clearly and others will look clearly also. And this has the range from 10% to 400%. This is the questions gonna ask in interview for for PowerPoint. What is the range of the zoom in, or what is the zooming range in PowerPoint? 10% to 400% is the right answer. In middle of the video, I will give you a tips or answer of the interview questions based over the PowerPoint. So watch this video from the beginning till end so that you will never miss any update. Otherwise you will lose. If you want really to work on a PowerPoint, watch this video. You don't need to go anywhere. This is a very short video I want to share for you, and in a way that I learn, I hope you learn in this way. So start watching. Now this is a PowerPoint main window. Let's understand what are these components are. In brief, this is I already brief you about the file tab. File tab is basically all about the how to manage your files and how to have a setting of your PowerPoint windows. Quick access toolbar allow you to customize commands you want to have it here. To do so, you may have to select, or you have only to select those commands which you want to have it here by using this drop down and more command here. You have a window and now you can customize by clicking this and going to add those commands which you will select in the left window will transfer into the right window, and after pressing OK you will have those commands here as a quick toolbar. Now this is the title bar. This bar shows the name of your file. Also file tab is the PowerPoint backstage. By selecting this tab, it will be here. This is the option you will see in every Microsoft product. If you are familiar with Excel or Microsoft Word, I hope you are familiar with these listed commands here in the left side. Now this is the blank presentation tab. If you want to start presentation from scratch, you can do with it. There are pre-made templates for presentation is available. If your choice is not listed here, you just go with the more themes here, and now you can see there are more themes available for your presentation. You just select and create it. Now just going back again in file tab, and these are the files showing below you worked recently on. Now start with the blank presentation. The moment you click the blank presentation, your page will look like this. These are called the PowerPoint tabs. The PowerPoint tabs are the control desk of your presentation. Since PowerPoint features are so many, they are organized in tabs. You can switch between tabs as you need. Like I am at home currently, you can click this one, go every tab as per your need. It will open with its ribbon, and there you will be able to see the tools related with that category. Now the home tab. Now this is the home tab. The home tab is the most common tab of your PowerPoint. This is the tab you will probably use most if you are designing your own presentation deck from scratch. It allows you to add new slides. This one, new slides. What format you want to add, it depends, it depends upon you, and you depend what you are going to create as a presentation. From here you can write, you can add text, you can increase the font, add the color, add the background, whatever you want to do from the home tab. If you already use Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Word, I hope you are familiar with these commands. Now the insert. These are the commands under insert tab. This insert tab is exactly what its name suggests. This ribbon contains all the options for adding a new element to your presentation. You can insert a picture from here by clicking this one. Some geometric shapes you can see here. Some icon you can see here icon. A smart word, a smart art. You can click here smart art or word art graphic, whatever. So these commands are under insert tab. Now design tab. If you are one of those people who enjoy choosing the design of your presentation, this tab is your favorite. This design tab offers a wide range of pre-made designs, which will allow you to create more polished slides. Even better, this will even allow you to adjust the color palette and change the overall style of your PowerPoint deck. Now the transition. Using this transition tab, PowerPoint is a dynamic way to move one slide to the other slide during presentation. Like what we have here, and now I want to insert one more, then Control D, I press just Control D means duplicate, and here I have text, and now in second I want to add chapter 1 and just select both the slides and you have push. Now you can see dynamically move. So you can do with transition tab. Now the animation. These are grayish color because you haven't selected any objects on your slide. Just select this one. Now that's highlighted. These are the options available here to animate the selected object. Now I am selected chapter 1. I want this to be animated. Just click this one. If you want to split wheel, there are multiple choices here you can do with your animation. Along with, if you go with the drop down, you have like this. If you want to customize path, you have it. Now You can do it just this one. Now you can see. This is the animation tab. You can play with this one. Now the slideshow, as its name suggests, the slideshow tab is all about the presenting your slides. We really like this. It gives you several options to show off your presentation, like custom slide. If you want to show slide in your Microsoft Teams, you can see here. You can also record your presentation. You can also hide slide, setting up mini slide, use subtitles, everything. Multimedia controls are also available here slides. You can also with the record tab, you have recording options available. Then you have a review tab. In this review tab is not often used by the beginners. Why? Because you don't need to check your spelling check, translations, your notes, you want to insert your notes like this. However, if your job is related to writing, or if you work at an international company, this tool can be extremely useful for you. But for beginner, always is not useful. With this review tab, you can check the slice spelling, whatever you have written there, translating the text in real time scenario, and add comments to your slide. You can do with this review. Now, the view tab. I'm giving you just a brief idea. Not I'm going to deep with it because I hope you know uh, much deeper knowledge about it. Just I am giving you brief idea because this video is just for the beginners level. Additionally, I will give you some tips which will be used for the advanced and intermediate level also. So stay with me. Don't lose even a single second. This view tab allow you to change the view of your presentation slides and make handouts from them. In this view tab, we have master things here, slide master. This is the advanced options. I want to show you what I said. Don't miss even a single second. Now, what this slide master do? Slide master is a bunch of multiple slides having underneath. If you want to do something in a master sheet, the impact being going on every underneath sheet. Let's see with example. If I'm going to insert, I want to add here. Now I want to show you just going to add this shape. Now you can see every slide underneath this master slide will have this shape. If you want to remove this one, it will remove from all the underneath shape. So slide master is a very impactful if you want to use. So you have to get deeply knowledge about how slide master will work. The help tab. This help tab, if you have any problem or questions about how to use PowerPoint, you can go, it will give you answer. In the latest version of PowerPoint, you will see the shortening options. And click this command to get practice over. It will give you all the questions here, question answers here. These are the additionally tutorial guide for you. If you want to go through them, most welcome to have it. But this is the very good options that PowerPoint has. Now PowerPoint features. Features number one, cropping to shape. This is intermediate level and advanced level also. So I am going to include uh, in this video tutorial. Now the PowerPoint first features, crop to shape. Now in order to use crop to shape, you just have to shape here, or if you have a picture, then you can crop it also. So I'm going to insert a picture from here, this device, and going to download. I have P1. This is the picture we have. Now the crop to shape means once you select this picture which you have inserted here, you have a picture format options here. Now you go to crop option here, right here. Now you just click the drop down, you have crop to shape. This is the first feature I am going to talk about. Just go here and click this one. Now you have the shape. In which shape if you want, in which shape you want to insert this picture. I want to insert this picture in this shape. Now you can see. Just delete the behind placeholders so that you can look. Now I have crop to shape. Now just again remove this one. I want to use again, go to picture format, under crop to shape, you can select this one. Now you have this shape. This is what a crop to shape is. This is what a crop to shape is. Now merge shape. Second feature is merge shape. Now just insert the shape here. I want to insert this one and also want to insert some circle. So just add the circle at either end like this. And now I want to merge because here 1, 2, 3 different shapes. I want to merge all together. In order to do that, you have to select all 3 different shapes and go to shape format. Under merge shape, you have union. Now this is a single shape. Now you want to remove the outer border. I remove here. Now just make it big, enlarge as you want. Now I want to add a picture over here. So shape fill, go to picture, select. Now I want to select it here. Now you have a picture like that. This is what a merge shape is. Now inserting the icon, the PowerPoint feature number 3, inserting the icon. Now you have insert and you have icon. And insert from here. If your choice is not here, you can go with business item. You go for just search technology items. These are the icons related the word you go for. And after that you just select 1, 2, 3, whatever number you of icon you want to be inserted, just select all these, get ticked out, meaning, and here you can see the insert 3, meaning there are 3 icons you have selected. Now insert 3, all 3 icons will appear here Now select the icon 1, 2, 3 and start embedding icon on your PPT infographics. We'll create infographics in my later video because these are the advanced options. These are for advanced users. Now this video is the ultimate guide for beginners. Share this video whomsoever you know. Like this video, hit a subscribe button, advise your friend and be updated. Now inserting the smart art. Now you have insert options. Now you have smart art. You can go whatever list you have to select from the left side. Accordingly, your smart art will appear this right side window sections. Now you just select those and now OK, and now you have selected 3 circles here. Now I am going with the new shapes. I am going to copy this one, cut it here and going here I want to paste it here. Now you have to use here shape like magic table and ground. Now 3 things I have entered here. Just delete the background placeholder. Now we have this kind of, you can insert it where you want to have a place, just go with there. If you want to change the shape or the color of the if you want to change the color of this shape, you go with the fill this color. Now this shape's color, just go it here, select this one, just go it here, select this one and just select this one, shape fill, go with it. This way you can change your color of the smart art. Delete this one. Now the feature number 5 is removing background of any pictures. Like, do you have any pictures? Just I am going to insert a picture from the device P1. I have inserted here and now what I want to remove the background. So how can I do this? Just select this one. You have under file remove background. Just click this one. All the pins area will get removed. This is what is showing. So mark area to keep. Discard or change it or keep changes. Now you can see your background gets removed. So these are the 5. Now you have also have a designer tab here. Now you can see generating the design idea, which picture you want to have, all the pictures possibility of the current picture is available here. Which picture you want to select this one, just this one. Now you can see if you want to select this one you will have this. So these are the generative ideas of the current picture which you have on your slides. You can choose from the designer. Now the next feature is the screen recording under record section. If you want to record the current slide, just click this one. If you want to record from the beginning, meaning if you have 8 or 10 slides in this whole presentation, then you start from the beginning. If you want to include your voices over there, you have audio options also to be included. Or if you want to screen recording, you have here. After recording, you want to show just save to show this option, or you want to save this video, recorded video, you have option export to video. Wanted to learn more about the recording, you just have learn more. Now the question is, somebody asked that what are the PowerPoints templates and where do we find them? Good question for the beginners. Just go to the file. These are the PowerPoint templates. You can find it under the file tab, or the moment you start a PowerPoint from the icon available on your desktop. Your first page will open like this and you have a pre-made template. If your choice is not listed in this, then you go for the more themes and you go here like this. If you want theme, just go. Thousands of pre-made available here. If you want to select this one, anyone, just select this one, create. Now this is the slides you have. This is the placeholder where you can add your title, subtitle, whatever. The second slide you can modify with your content, you can modify with your graphs, you can modify with your the key points of your process. You want to have some details part, contact part, you can add it here. So these are just a sample of pre-made available for you. That's all. This is for the beginners level. Stay with the advanced level and intermediate level, because we're gonna create some PPT infographics which comes as an intermediate and advanced level. Beginner level you are not able to see, because at a beginner level you need to know what component we're gonna use for this. We're gonna use the features, what we have studied here. Features number 1, features number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever. These features comes under the advanced level, but I have included in this video so that you have interest to do that. We see you in the next video.